Pain No More: 7 Proven Secrets to End Chronic Pain was a great read. I personally suffer from migraines and back pain, so I was looking for something to really give me an outside perspective of what may be causing that pain. This book helped me look at things and consider things that I had never really thought to consider before. This book debunks medical myths, gives you 7 proven secrets to ending chronic pain, which are based on a number of research studies. It also breaks down posture, inflammatory foods, behavior modification, vitamin and hormone imbalances, and so much more. One thing I found to be really unique about this book that I really enjoyed was that inside the book there are various QR codes throughout, which will take you to training videos online. I thought this was super unique and really informative. So if you're looking to end your chronic pain and really take a deep dive into the 7 proven secrets, I would highly recommend giving this book a read.